Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use Cloud Code for code review. Cloud Code can act as an AI code reviewer, helping you identify bugs, security issues, performance problems, and code quality concerns before changes are merged into your project. It won't replace the human reviews, but it can catch many issues early and speed up the review process. So first of all, let's start. What can it review? The Cloud Code can review code or analysis new features, bug fixes, pull requests, refactoring changes, configuration updates, and documentation changes. Now, how does it work exactly? Literally, what I'm gonna do is I'm going right now to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to generate a code. So generate a game code, any game. Instant, any game just generates a code. All right, so now as you can see, this is the code that we have. We can review it, we can play it, we can preview it by ChatGPT. Now what I'm gonna do is to copy this code. Of course, let's say that you have coded it yourself, not by ChatGPT. Let's go here, review this code for me, and just like that, the AI should be able to give you a summary about the code, what you can upgrade, update, or simply remove. So you can be better, higher quality, and more efficient. Now, if you go to the thinking mode, of course, it could show you here bugs. So as you can see here, process code detection, the check only test the ball center points against the paddle edges, then its radius. So here are a lot of logic issues, minor style to fix. So in summary, there is like 3 bugs, 3 logic issues, and 5 minor style. So these are things to check. As you can see, this is how you can literally review any code in Cloud Code. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming videos.